Hello viewers, I welcome you all from HLTF Tech channel. Today we will see how we can get the value date and time value from date of birth column and show it in any alert using JavaScript file. This is a common type of function in through which we can get the date field value. If we check this function, in this function we are going to define the name of the function. After that we are going to pass the parameter, that is execution context. After that we will try the code that is defined in the function, in which we are going to define the variable, that is form context, and it will be equals to execution context dot get form context. This is the method through which we can obtain the context or values of the form and save it in one new variable that we have just defined. After that we are going to define one more variable in which we are going to obtain the value of the form using form context by get attribute, and in this get attribute we are going to define the logical name of that attribute, which value we want to get, and that is get value. After that we are going to display it in the alert dialog. Okay, this is a very simple function. We are going to copy it. After that we are going into induction entity. Induction entity is available in entities in the form of induction. And if we go into the forms of that and main form, here in main form we are going into form properties, and this is the function that we have just defined. I have just copy paste all these values, and here you can see that the only let me copy it again for your understanding. Copy, control V, I have pasted. Okay, now one thing that I'm going to do is in HRM induction Frankenstein, I'm going into using this extension of level up for dynamics. I'm going to see the display name of that attribute, that is new underscore dob. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here, because here I'm going to get the attribute value of that and rest all the function will be same. I'm going to try this one. After that I'm going to get the value and then I'm going to show it in the alert box. Okay, so I'm going to copy the function name as I'm going to define it in the event, that is on save event. And that will be this one, and I am also going to pass execution context as parameter, and I'm going to click on OK. After that I'm going to save it and publish it. Once it's published, I'm going in to clear the logical names, and after that I'm going to refresh the page. Once the page has been refreshed, if I change any value and then I'm going to save it, here you can see that the date of birth has been shown here along with the standard time. So in this way you can get the value of the date of birth field. Now what we will do, the next function is used when that is used to obtain the particular month, date, or even the year. Okay, so that one is if I copy it and go into that form properties and I change this function value, control A, control V. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to define a function in which I'm going to try. First of all, I will define the form context. In form context, I'm going to pass the execution context dot get form context method. This method will retrieve all the values and save it in the variable that is form context. After that, I'm going to get the value of the field here. Okay, so there are multiple values. Let me show you one by one. First of all, I have defined the variable date of birth in which I am going to get the value. This line will save all the values of the date that are defined in that logical name, that was new underscore dob. Okay, now what I'm going to do again, I'm going to show the date of birth dot get full year. Okay, this function, that is this one, is used to get the full year value from the variable that is date of birth. Okay, now if I change it to dot get month, I can get the month, and after that if I get the date, get date function used to will obtain only the date value. Okay, after that I am going to clear the function. Now I'm going to define this function. Okay, I'm going to click on save, and on save I'm going to define this function and pass execution context as parameter. Okay, save and publish. Once it's published, what I'm going to do, I will refresh the page. Now my form is already uploaded, saved. I'm going to change the value, and after that I'm going to click on save. Here you can see that in personal information the value of the year was 2005, the value of the month was 4, and the value of the date was 25. Okay, so in this way 25, 5 and 2005. So in this way you can show the value of any full year or date or month in the execution context matter. Okay, in this way you can change the values of any function. You can get the full year values, and thank you all for watching this video. In our next video we will see how we can set the value of the text field to set any text value to the text field. In previous examples we were just seeing how we can get the values. Now we are going to set the values using JavaScript. Okay, so very much guys, subscribe my channel and enjoy watching more videos. Thank you all.